Hi everyone. Now we're going to focus on basically putting together our open source system, whether it's OpenCart or Joomla. For those of you who are doing the content management system, it'll be the Joomla. For those of you in e-commerce who are putting together your e-commerce site, it'll be the OpenCart. However, both of them have the same first step, and that's what this is. What I'd like you to do is first you're going to go into your control panel. When you log into your control panel, you're going to scroll down to the bottom where it basically says MySQL databases. And what we're going to do is we're actually going to create a database that we will connect with the Joomla system or OpenCart system, depending on which one you're going to install. So when we click on our MySQL databases, so now what we're going to do is we're going to basically create our database that we're going to connect our Joomla instance or OpenCart to. So what we'll do is we need to give this database a name, and it uses the prefix of whatever your control panel is. So maybe we'll say Joomla, create the database. Now once that database is created, we have a repository that we could use. However, we're not done. What we now need to do is create a user, and we need to attach that user to that database. So what we're going to do here is we'll create a username. We'll call this JoomUSR, and we will give it a password. We'll just basically type a password. Okay, and hopefully you can choose one that's a little bit stronger. Let's try that again. Okay, and what we'll do is we'll then create the user. Now that the user is created, we will attach that user to the database. So you move further down and you basically click Add. And it will basically attach your Joom user to your Joomla database. We'll give it all privileges. We click Make Changes, and now that user was added to the database. We click Go Back, and we're basically done. So at this point, our database is ready for us to use.